Hello students, welcome to AJ Akshara Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on calorimetry. Before going to know about this session, ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూస్తున్న వారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయమని చెప్పండి. ఇంకా మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయగలరు. ఓకే, లెట్ us go to the today's topic, problems on calorimetry. Let us go to the next problem. A piece of copper weighing 500 grams is heated to 100 degree centigrade and dropped into 200 grams of water at 25 degree centigrade. Then find the temperature of mixture. Here within brackets the given specific heat of copper is 0.42 joule gram inverse centigrade inverse. This is the problem. In this problem they given copper weighing 500 grams is heated into 100 degree centigrade and dropped into 200 grams of water at 25 degree centigrade. We have to find the temperature of mixture. Here the given specific heat of copper is 0.42 joules gram inverse and degree centigrade inverse. Let us go to the solution of this problem. By the principle of calorimetry, heat lost by hot body is equals to heat gained by cold body. Heat lost by hot body is equals to heat gained by cold body. That is equals to ms into delta T. I am writing here 500 grams and 500 grams into S 0.42 into temperature 100 minus final temperature, that is equals to 200 grams into 4.2 into this is cold body water temperature. Here 1 calorie is equals to 4.2 joules. Here the given specific heat of copper in terms of joules 0.42 joules. So that's why here also we are writing specific heat of water in terms of joules 4.2 into TF final temperature minus 25. So here 500 into 0.42 can be written as 42 by 100 into 100 minus TF, that is equals to, here also we are writing 4.2, that is 42 by 10 into TF minus 25. Here 0 0 gets cancels and here also 0 0 0 0 gets cancels. Here by the multiplication here 210 of 100 minus TF final, that is equals to 84 of TF minus 25. Here by cancellation we are cancelling here 0 and 0, here 0 8 40, 0 0 cancel, 21 4 21 4 84. So 100 minus TF is equals to 100 minus TF is equals to final temperature is equals to 4 into F, 4 TF minus 425 is 100, that is equals to, we are writing 100 plus 100 200 is equals to 5. Here minus TF will go in this side, plus TF, 4 TF plus TF, 5 TF. So 5 TF. At last we are writing therefore temperature of mixture is equals to 200 by 5. 5 ones 5, force. So 40 degree centigrade. This is the final answer. 200 by 5. 5 ones 5. 5 fours 20. So after cancellation we are getting, this is the final temperature of mixture. Final temperature of mixture TF is equals to 40 degree centigrade. This is our answer. Okay. Next, let us go to the next question. Go to the next question. 500 grams of water at 100 degree centigrade is mixed with 300 grams at 30 degree centigrade. Find the temperature of the mixture. Specific heat of water is 4.2 joules degree centigrade inverse gram inverse. In this question, they are asking that find the temperature of mixture. Given 500 grams of water at 100 degree centigrade is mixed with 300 grams at 30 degree centigrade. So, come to the solution. Temperature of the mixture. Temperature of the mixture T mix is equals to, here S value is, specific heat of water is 4.2 joules gram inverse and degree centigrade here. Here S1 and S2 are having the same values. So that's why I am writing M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. Here M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 by M1 S1 plus M2 S2. S1 and S2 are the same values. So that's why I am writing like this. M1 T1 and plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. These are the same readings. So substituting M1 is 500 grams and T1 100 degree centigrade and M2 is 300 grams and T2 is 30 degree centigrade. Okay, next substituting all these values. 500 into 100 plus M2 300 T2 30 by M1 plus M2. 500 plus 300 how much? 800. That is equals to 5000 plus 9000, 3 3s are 9 by 800. That is equals to 59,000 by 5000 plus 9000. See here 500 into 100, 50,000. 50,000 plus 9,000, 59,000 by 800. 0 0 0 0 cancels and 590 by 8. After doing division, we are getting temperature of mixture, that is equals to 73.7, or approximately we can write 73.8. This is the value of temperature of the mixture, or we can write approximately equal to 73.8. Okay. Next, go to the next question. A piece of iron of mass 0.05 kilogram is heated to a temperature of 200 degrees centigrade and dropped into a beaker containing 0.4 kilogram of water at 20 degrees centigrade. If the final temperature of water and iron is 22.4 degrees centigrade, then find first one heat gained by water and the second one specific heat of iron. Now first this is the question. In this question they are asking that finding the heat gained by water and specific heat of iron. Okay, given a piece of iron of mass 0.05 kilogram is heated to a temperature of 200 degrees centigrade and dropped into a beaker containing 0.4 kilogram of water at 20 degrees centigrade. Temperature of water and iron is 22.4 degree centigrade. Okay, first we will go to the solution. First we will find out the heat lost by the iron. Heat lost by iron is equals to Ms T1 minus T2, that is equals to Ms delta T. Substituting values 0.05 into S, we are finding the specific heat of iron 200 minus 22.4, that is equals to 0.05 into S into, here we are after subtracting 177.6. After multiplication we are getting 8.88 S. S means specific heat of iron, joules. Now again we are finding the heat gained by water. Heat gained by water is equals to Ms delta T, that is equals to M value 0.4 into S 4200 into T2 minus T1 22.4 minus 20, that is equals to 0.4 into 4200 into 22.4 minus 20, how much? 2.4. Next, heat gained by water, that is equals to 0.4 into 0.4 into 4200 into 2.4, that is equals to 0.4 can be written as 4 by 10 into 4200 into 2.4 can be written as 24 by 10, 0 0 0 0 cancel, 4 into 42 into 24, that is equals to, after doing multiplication, 4032 joules. This is heat gained by water. Therefore heat gained by water is equals to 4032 joules. Next, from first one, heat lost by iron, calculated 8.88 S is equals to this heat gained by water. As per the principle of calorimetry, heat lost by hot body is equals to heat gained by the cold bodies. Specific heat of iron S is equals to 4032 by 8.88, that is equals to, after division we are getting 454.05 joules kilogram inverse Kelvin inverse. This is final answer. First one we calculated A, heat gained by water is 4032 joules, and the specific heat of iron S is equals to 454.05 joule kilogram inverse and Kelvin inverse. These two are the answers. Okay. Next, go to the next question. That is 10th question. When 0.4 kilogram of brass of 100 grams is dropped into 1 kilogram of water at 20 degrees centigrade. The final temperature is 23 degrees centigrade. Find the specific heat of the brass. Now we are finding the specific heat of the brass. The given M1 is equals to 0.4 kilogram, and M2 is equals to 1 kilogram. This is M2 value and this is M1 value. T is equals to final temperature is 23 degrees centigrade. T1 is equals to 100 degree centigrade and this is 100 degree centigrade, and T2 is equals to 20 degree centigrade. So let's come to the solution. M1 is equals to 0.4 kilogram and M2 is equals to 1 kilogram, and final temperature T is equal to 23 degree centigrade, and initial temperature T1 is equals to 100 degree centigrade, and T2 is equals to 20 degree centigrade. They give an specific heat of brass, that is equals to finding the specific heat of first one brass and second one water. S2 is equals to, we are writing 4180 joules kilogram inverse degree centigrade inverse. Now, as per the principle of calorimetry, heat lost by hot body is equals to heat gained by cold body. Heat lost by hot body is equals to heat gained by cold body, that is equals to, by taking the formula M1 S1 T1 minus T is equals to M2 S2 T minus T2. Substituting all these values, 0.4 into S1 of 100 minus 23, that is equals to M2 1 kilogram. Next 4180 into 23 minus 20, that is equals to S1 is equals to 1 into 4180 into 23 minus 23 by 0.4 into 100 minus 23, how much? 77. We are writing 77, that is equals to, we are getting the value of specific heat of the brass is 407 joule kilogram inverse degree centigrade inverse. This is the final answer. S1 is equals to 407. This is the specific heat of the brass. Okay. Next, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe this channel. Please like, share, subscribe this channel. Okay. Thank you once again.